Hey there, in this video we will learn how we can create this kind of paint effect or a splash effect in Photoshop with any photos. So first of all, let's open our picture. I'll just drag and drop it as a new file. And first of all, let's select this boy out of the background. Currently we have the white background and we don't want that. So go to the object selection tool and click on select subject. This feature is available in newer version of Photoshops like 2019, 20, 21 and 22. And if you don't have these versions, you can create the selection manually in the way you want. And now let's create a new layer by click and drag the background layer. Now just click on this mask button. So if you hide this, you can see the boy is selected. You can create a new layer and fill it with any color you want. I will just fill it with white only. But we have the selected layers separate here, the boy and the background. Now let's add the splash. So I have my splash image here. I'll create a new document with it, and I will first of all select this out. Select it like this and Control J. I'll delete the original layer. And now I want the black part only, not the white part. So go to select, color range, click here, select fuzziness to 100% and click OK. Now hit Ctrl or Command J and delete the original layer. So you have this clean background, less image. Now drag and drop and hit Ctrl T and adjust the size as you want. I just like it around here, so I can match the sleeve with this part like this, and here I'll just click and drag the corners so that I can match the sleeves here also. Now hit enter, and now you can pin this, or you can say mask clip to the image layer we have. The splash is above and your boy is here. So first of all, let's create a copy of this boy by clicking and dragging it to the plus button and put the splash between these two layers. So we have boy, the mask and boy again. So first of all, let's hide the boy below, and you can click Alt and click between these two like this. So what just happened? So what happened is our upper image layer is now masked, or you can say clipped to the bottom layer. And if I make any changes like in black color here, you can see it is inside that only. The part where it is black, the image will be visible there only. Okay, so let's do it here. And now what I will do is I will also enable this layer. So now go to the background boy layer and select the boy, not the mask, and okay, or the mask here only, and use brush and paint it with black like this. So what will happen, where it is black, it will be hidden. Just do it like this. So you can see how I am erasing. I have erased this part and this part. You can also erase it more because we want that part to be in splash only, not in the below layer. We want the part of the top side only in the below layer, the boy's head. Now select your mask, click on this button and create a mask here, and with black color selected, brush out like this, the way you want. You can take your time and you can smooth it out like this. If you don't want this part, you can remove it. Also in the boy layer, you can paint with white to bring back the part we want. So I just added it back like this, and again we can modify the splash mask. So you can take your time and smooth it out. Again in the background layer, paint again, so you get the parts back. You can smooth things out the way you want. So I think this is pretty much it, and you can take your time and smooth it more. Now select all these layers by clicking and shift click the top layer and right click merge. Now go to filter and now go to camera raw, and you can do the basic adjustments like changing the temperature, tint, exposure a little bit. You can change the contrast, highlights and whites, blacks and all. Increase the saturation a bit. You can let it be like this only, and we will increase the saturation of individual colors. In color mixer section, go to saturation, and you can see the orange slider is changing the boy's face color. So keep it here only. Go to luminance, increase or decrease it as you want. You can also select the hue of the boy's face. I'll make it a little bit pinkish to make him more soft looking as he's a kid. Also in the saturation panel, increase the blue to make the jacket darker like this. Okay, now we have our image ready. So you can take all the time in the world to remove the background and stuff whenever you want. And this was pretty much it. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, make sure to like that, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I don't know what to say, and have a nice day.